Mga inday, diyami karon sa hotpot. Tapos yung ang aming lulutuin individual. Ayan. Nag-hotpot kami for our dinner today. Okay, we're gonna get this I get this one blue and this one we can share. What is this? What is that?
I don't know, you grab it.
We're gonna wait because we're gonna put now our noodles. There. Tapos we're gonna get this one. One half pa.
That's tofu, is it?
Tiny.
Dried swordfish or something. This is the tofu.
Yeah, that's tofu. Like tofu. Yeah, see? So I'm gonna wait my things here. Okay. We're gonna wait the marinated beef maybe they have.
So what did you...
Tiny only.
Yeah. How much is it?
We're gonna wait for cooking.
Yeah, sure.
Gonna put now mine. We have this soup. Okay. Oh, it's very big. So mga inday, may pagkamahal ang presyo, pero first time na mo na arriba diriba. So kada order sa plato, may aning platuha, may pagkamahalan, may $4, $3. Buka na to. First time na mo na ari diri. Masarap ang aking soup kasi tom yum. No. Try na to. Malamig kaayo ba? May pagkamahalang lagi. And may experience din siya. Experience. Yummy. This one is like, I don't know what is this. It's a crab meat. So, itong, ano to? Meatballs. This is squid. So this one, we're gonna have this. the remote. And then 3, 4, 5. So become, and then we have this.
Right here.
I'm gonna get this one, muscle. So, muscle. Uy, 3 pieces only. Just 3 pieces. Gotta get my muscle. It's already my muscle there. Oh. There you go. No, mga kainday tanawa pila kabuk amo ang plato nga nahurot. Plato din niya. Yan po ang aking platong dami-dami. Dami kong naubos. Talo siya. Yan yung kanya na talo. Mahina ang laban. Mahina ang laban. Mahina ang kalaban. Malaki atang bitoka ko. Ang dami. So kaya yun lang na ano. Yan po ang kabuuan ng restaurant. So, doing that. So, ang pangalan ng restaurant ay yan. Ang pangalan niya ay Hot Pot World Rotary. Hot Pot World Rotary. See, that's our world hot pot. So, hot pot there.